I wasn't planning for this. Hey guys, another sad moment in our adventure in Bulgaria. So today we are bringing our daughter away to the airport. So the thing is, we are still not officially living here in Bulgaria, so for now we will have to go back next week ourselves, and I don't like that. But most of all, to be very honest, the last few days I have been working a lot still, but it is extremely warm. It was over, what was it, 40, I think? Something like 40 degrees here. It's just So, two things that are kind of not so nice about being here are to try to get your things done on a property that needs so much work in this kind of heat and without water in the middle of the day, because that's also a battle for us. We do not have water the whole day, so it's that's kind of messy, because you do have water, but you're doing it with bottles and all the things like that. You need to make it work. And still, we have been clearing out. I'm gonna show you guys many things, but I just didn't have the energy to post videos on here, so I'm very sorry for that. There have not been many updates, but I'm gonna show you guys many nice things.
Because we did record a lot of things.
We did record things, but we did not post it yet, and I have to take some time to how do you call that? Edit. Yes, that's my girl. Edit the videos. But we do have a summer kitchen right now. We ordered very nice little stones for on the ground. Many things have happened still, so keep you posted, and follow if you want to know how that looks like right now. But I was speaking about the two things. That is, number one is try to get all the things done without water in the middle of the day in this kind of heat. And the second things are the animals. It's like insects. The flies, the insects, the flies. We have these big beetles everywhere. We have the how do you call these? The grasshoppers that are jumping from everywhere.
Cicadas.
Yeah, they're jumping and they're very big. But the flies, they are on you all the time, because you're gonna get sweaty, and they like that. So they're itching you. If you would see my legs, I mean, I have wounds everywhere because I have been scratching from everywhere. So right now I'm not feeling so happy, because I have to bring my precious daughter to the airport, and she's gonna go and fly for the first time on her own. So it's letting go time for mommy and daddy, of course. We have to let her go and just trust that everything's gonna be good. Okay, she's gonna be in a small airport, so we know everything will be okay. But still, it's just the idea of not being around her when she goes into the plane and everything. So that's a little update for today. We are on our way to the airport right now, which is gonna be 3 hours and 10 minutes for now. So And this time here in Bulgaria, I have had a few goodbyes, and it just makes you realize how important it is to have family around, because things just are not the same without your family and without the people that you love, right? And saying goodbye has never been something that I'm good at, so just letting go of your daughter like that is just I know she can handle it. I mean, she's very strong, but still. But yeah, she's gonna go and fly by herself today. Really? Yeah, really. Okay.